Food lovers, welcome back. Today, we are in the heart of T Nagar, Chennai, to experience the culinary delights of Absolute Barbecue. If you're a fan of mouth-watering grills and an array of scrumptious dishes, this is a place you don't want to miss. So, let's dive in. As soon as you walk in, the first thing you notice is the vibrant and lively atmosphere. The staff here are incredibly welcoming, making you feel right at home. And trust me, the aroma in here is just irresistible.
And how is it? Like it?
Crazy family.
Let's start with the starters. Look at these amazing skewers. We've got chicken, prawns, paneer, and an assortment of veggies. The best part? You can grill them just the way you like. Let's get grilling.
नहीं ठंडा नहीं गर्म कम पे हॉट हॉट
Actually, yeah, for you also. Yeah, now you can eat.
Absolute Barbecue, or Rubs as it's popularly known, offers a unique dining experience with their live grill concept. Each table is equipped with a grill where you can cook your skewers to perfection.
बस गुस्सा में मेरे तालू हो जाते हैं तुम्हें खाते नहीं वेट करना पड़ता नहीं
Wow, these are absolutely delicious. The marinades are flavorful and each bite is a burst of taste. And it's so much fun to grill your food right at the table.
what है ना
Now, here's something you should know. The servers will bring special dishes to your table, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. You can choose to try them or skip them. My recommendation? Skip them. These specials are mainly served to fill you up quickly so you eat less of the skewers and buffet. This technique isn't unique to UBS, it's common in other unlimited buffet restaurants like Barbecue Nation as well. These specials are mainly served to fill you up quickly so you eat less of the skewers and buffet. This technique isn't unique to UBS, it's common in other unlimited buffet restaurants like Barbecue Nation as well. We also wanted to try something exotic, so we ordered rabbit and duck from the counter. And let me tell you, it was absolutely delicious. If you're feeling adventurous, definitely give these a try. But that's not all. UBS also boasts an extensive buffet with a plethora of options. From Indian to continental, they've got it all. Let's check it out. The biryani is perfectly spiced, the curries are rich and creamy, and the pasta is just right. Everything here is cooked to perfection. Absolute Barbecue truly lives up to its name.
So all the veggies are Ira's favorite. Dal. Mama's favorite era, potato. You like potato too? I didn't know that. Okay. What? It's Szechuan noodle.
No, this is one noodle.
Why so many juices? What? Now what is this? Some curry. Diapam. वो दही का क्या मीठा वो Mom's favorite.
Why my least favorite is all Mama's favorite?
I don't know. Ira's favorite. Actually, it's a mixed veg.
That looks like a latte. That curry looks like a latte.
Oh yeah.
Pal katti curry.
I think it's paneer.
No. It's pal katti curry. No, that's paneer.
It is paneer.
Chili garlic noodles.
Ah, Szechuan.
Chili garlic. Szechuan noodles. है ना? अभी आ रहा है.
All right, I've got a little bit of everything on my plate now. Let's dig in.
Like it? You want another plate?
One. Mama has so much non-veg and she wants like a whole plate meal.
No, she's looking for rice.
Rice with char. Char rice.
Mama's
Char
favorite.
Char with a char rice.
Let's go.
They've got everything from pastries to traditional Indian sweets. And don't miss out on their signature kulfi, it's a must try.
This is the roti, this is the omelette.
मुझे मम्मी
Jalebi is so yummy. Interesting.
हाँ हॉट है आई लव हॉट जलेबीज
For dessert, I had a warm brownie and hot jalebi, both were absolutely delicious. And on the cold plate, I had butterscotch ice cream while my daughter enjoyed chocolate ice cream made fresh on the cold plate. It was the perfect ending to an incredible meal. Well, that's it for today's food adventure at Absolute Barbecue in T Nagar.
Yeah. You have rasam. Look at her face. How happy she is. Just to drink rasam. She spills that even. पीने के बाद मानो ना क्या है? He wants to mix chicken soup with rasam.
It's been an incredible experience with fantastic food, great service, and a wonderful atmosphere.
Okay, then no tea for you.
Oh yeah! No tea. She's right.
You have tea, right? Why don't you have no tea?
No tea.
No tea.